Alright, it's Twin Force Fusion, and I'm here at the Ford dealership with my 2017 Ford Fusion Sport. This car only has 3,000 kilometers, which maybe about 2,000 miles. They're gonna replace all my tires. Because this car was parked over 9 months at the Lincoln dealership. They have severe flat spots on them. Also, I'll be changing the battery. Let me just hide under my Impala hood there. It's too much wind. They'll also change the battery. I noticed because I only use the Fusion car if it's nice on a Friday or Saturday, and the last 2 times I had to physically boost the battery, and I did a quick search on it, and seemed to have issues with those Motorcraft batteries. Not enough cold crank power, I think. Even if the size of the battery itself, it's very big. Anyway, so they'll replace the battery, and because of that, it's on some type of a safe mode. And the last 2 times I've been driving it, there was no radio system at all, nothing. Nav system not working, and the radio itself not working. So hopefully they'll fix that. The tires they'll be replaced with are not these Eagle F1, but will be the Eagle. Sorry, again with the wind. Will be the Eagle Touring. So it is what it is. So we'll have that replaced, and hopefully I'll start doing the mods on it. And another sad note, because the weather here has just been horrible. I don't know where is this global warming, but the track was supposed to be open this weekend, and it's not. It's postponed for another week because there's still snow on the side of the track. So again, I'll stop and I'll do the decibel test once I get the Eagle Touring tires, basically the same tires they used on the Tesla Model S. Alright, bye.